A wise man once said, "In France, cooking is a serious art form and a national sport." Welcome to an adventure of taste, where we explore the history, ingredients, and preparation methods of various French dishes. What makes French cuisine so special? It's not just the butter, although that certainly doesn't hurt. It's the time-honored traditions, the meticulous attention to detail, and the unyielding dedication to quality ingredients. It's the poetry of flavors, the symphony of textures, and the canvas of colors on every plate. French cuisine is globally recognized and revered for a reason. Its influence has seeped into every corner of the world, shaping the way we eat and think about food. From the rustic allure of coq au vin to the delicate sophistication of escargot, French dishes are a testament to the country's rich culinary heritage and passion for gastronomic excellence. So buckle up as we embark on this culinary journey to discover the secrets behind the allure of French cuisine. The history of French cuisine is as rich as its flavors. It's a tale of tradition, innovation, and a dash of royal influence. Our journey begins in the medieval times. These were the days when food was largely about sustenance. But even then, the French had a flair for the culinary arts. They introduced the concept of service en confusion, where all dishes were served at once, creating a banquet of flavors that was as much a feast for the eyes as it was for the palate. As we move forward in time, French cuisine started to evolve. The Renaissance period brought about a revolution in the kitchen. New World ingredients like tomatoes, potatoes, and corn made their way into French dishes, adding a new dimension to the taste and presentation. The 17th century marked a turning point. The French court, especially under the reign of Louis XIV, transformed food into an art form. This was when the concept of service à la Russe, serving dishes in the order of their course, came into existence. It was a theatrical display of culinary craftsmanship that elevated French cuisine to a gourmet status. Now, let's take a detour through the different regions of France. The north is famous for its creamy sauces and apple-based dishes, while the south is known for its olive oil, herbs, and tomatoes. The west is renowned for its seafood, and the east for its meats and cheeses. These regional specialties have greatly influenced the evolution of French cuisine, making it diverse and dynamic. In the 20th century, French cuisine went global. The introduction of Nouvelle cuisine in the 1960s emphasized fresh ingredients, innovative presentation, and lighter dishes. This modern approach helped French cuisine maintain its position at the forefront of the culinary world. Today, French cuisine continues to inspire and innovate, maintaining a balance between tradition and modernity. It is a testament to the country's love for food and its commitment to preserving its culinary heritage. The rich history of French cuisine has undoubtedly contributed to its enduring appeal and global reputation. Scene script. French cuisine is renowned for its diverse and high-quality ingredients. From fresh produce to world-class dairy, each ingredient plays a crucial role in creating culinary masterpieces. Let's begin with cheese, the crowning glory of French cuisine. The country boasts over 400 types of cheese, each unique in taste and texture. Camembert, Brie, Roquefort. The list is endless. These cheeses add depth and richness to a variety of dishes, from a simple baguette sandwich to an indulgent cheese fondue. Next, let's talk about wine, the elixir of French cuisine. The vineyards of France are a treasure trove, producing some of the world's most celebrated wines. From the robust reds of Bordeaux to the delicate bubbles of Champagne, French wine is not just a beverage, it's an ingredient that elevates a dish, adding layers of complexity. Moving on to bread, the heart and soul of every French meal. The humble baguette, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, is a testament to the French's love for bread. But it doesn't stop there. Croissants, pain au chocolat, brioche. These are just a few examples of the countless varieties of bread that form an essential part of French cuisine. Lastly, we cannot forget about fresh vegetables. France is blessed with fertile lands that yield a plethora of fresh produce. Bright, crunchy vegetables are not just a side, but often the star of many French dishes. Ratatouille, a colorful medley of zucchini, eggplant, and bell peppers, is a perfect example of how French cuisine celebrates vegetables. And let's not forget the herbs and spices, the subtle heroes that lend French cuisine its distinct aroma and flavor. Thyme, rosemary, tarragon, and the infamous herbes de Provence. These are the silent whispers that turn a dish from good to remarkable. Indeed, the secret to the unique taste of French cuisine lies in its carefully selected and skillfully used ingredients. In French cuisine, preparation is an art in itself. It's not just about cooking, it's about creating a symphony of taste and texture. When you delve into the world of French culinary techniques, you're stepping into a realm that celebrates the beauty of food in all its glory. Each technique is designed to extract the maximum flavor and texture from each ingredient, creating a harmonious blend that dances on your tongue. Let's start with sautéing, a technique that's as classic as the French beret. This method involves cooking food quickly in a small amount of oil or butter over a high heat. The result? A perfectly seared exterior that seals in the juicy goodness of the ingredient, be it a succulent piece of chicken or a delicate mushroom. Then there's roasting. The aroma of slow roasted meat wafting through the kitchen is enough to make anyone's stomach rumble in anticipation. This technique, which involves cooking food in an oven at a high temperature, brings out the natural sweetness and depth of flavor in ingredients, from a robust beef joint to a humble carrot. And who can forget braising? This slow cooking method that involves partially submerging the food in a flavorful liquid creates dishes that are rich, succulent, and brimming with flavor. Think of a hearty coq au vin or a tender beef bourguignon. Their flavors deepened by hours of gentle simmering. But French cuisine is not just about cooking techniques. It's also about the art of presentation. Each plate is a canvas, and the food, the paint. The French have a knack for arranging food in a way that's visually appealing, stimulating your appetite before you've even taken a bite. The vibrant colors, the elegant garnishes, the strategic placement of each element on the plate. It's all part of the French culinary experience. French cuisine is as much a feast for the eyes as it is for the palate, with its meticulous preparation and exquisite presentation. Now that we've explored the history, ingredients, and preparation, it's time to delve into some of France's iconic dishes. First on our list is the hearty coq au vin. This classic French dish is a slow-cooked chicken, marinated in red wine and a medley of fresh herbs, then braised with onions, mushrooms, and garlic. The end result is a rich, sumptuous stew that warms the heart and soul, a true embodiment of French comfort food. Next, let's dive into the coastal flavors of bouillabaisse. This Provençal fish stew hails from the port city of Marseille. It's a vibrant medley of various local fish and shellfish, simmered with fennel, saffron, and a dash of fiery pernod. The broth is traditionally served with a side of rouille, a spicy mayonnaise, spread on crusty bread. Bouillabaisse is not just a dish, it's a celebration of the sea and its bounty. And of course, no French culinary journey would be complete without a taste of crème brûlée. This elegant dessert consists of a creamy custard base, topped with a contrasting layer of hard caramel. The joy of breaking through the caramel to reach the smooth custard beneath is simply indescribable. Each dish is a testament to France's culinary expertise, offering a delightful experience for both locals and food lovers worldwide. Our culinary journey through French cuisine has been nothing short of a gastronomic delight. We've delved into the rich history that shaped this world-renowned cuisine, explored the key ingredients that make each dish unique, and marveled at the artistry involved in their preparation. We've savored the flavors of iconic dishes, each telling a story of its own. As we conclude our adventure, remember that the essence of French cuisine lies not just in its taste, but in its ability to bring people together. Bon appétit!